Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix DVD drive not working in Windows 10. First we need to go Windows search bar and type here Device Manager. Then click on Device Manager. Then click DVD or CD-ROM drives. You can see DVD-RW DU8A6SH. Select it, then click on the right button, then click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. You can see scan for hardware changes. Click here. Wait here for some seconds. If first method don't work, then follow second method. Again come to the Windows search bar, type here Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Now find IDE ATA ATAPI controller. Now select it, then click on the right button. Then click Uninstall Device. Don't delete the driver software. Just click on Uninstall. Now you need to restart your PC. I hope your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, write a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.